So if you did click on this video, then you want to know how I customize my wig to look like this. So if you want to see how I achieve that, ensure that you stick around and continue watching this video. So this is a company that we'll be working with today, Mobility Hair. They sent me over a tea lace. So let's see what's inside the package. We have the hair. We'll get to that in a bit. They also sent a wig cap. And they have this cute little information card. And their social media on the back. As you guys can see, it shows that it's 12 inches that we're working with today. This is the type of lace that we're working with. It says that it is Swiss lace and it's of a medium brown color. For those who don't know what a tea lace is, it's basically where it mimics a lace front, however it can only be parts in the center, as you can see. Now this is the construction of the wig. Comes with 4 combs and adjustable straps, as you can see. Now in terms of the hairline, I'm seeing here where it is slightly pre-plucked. So what I'm going to do is basically show you guys how I customize my tea lace when I'm wearing them, for those who think that it cannot be customized.
Think about you a lot. It's almost like I can't stop. Yeah. You never lose an argument, so I've been trying hard to pretend that I'm okay. It's just a phase, and everything is going just great.
What I'm going to do now is basically plug the front of the wig while the wig is still slightly damped, and then I'm just going to take my blow dryer and blow it out. Now you want to be careful because there is minimal space to pluck, because as you know it's a tea lace, so there's really minimal space to pluck.
Yeah, can't stop. No. Think about you a lot.
So this is all the air I pulled out of the wig from this side right here. So as you guys can see, this is what the hairline is now looking like.
Wanna be free of this heart. Yeah. Wanna feel your arms.
So I went ahead and I cut the hair. Yes, I cut it into a bob because I mean the time is like extremely hot out here in Jamaica. So I did cut the hair into a little bob. So I'm just going to put this on. Now I'm actually going to be using a glueless method, and to ensure that wig is like properly on my head, I'll be using my adjustable straps. I'll be hooking each strap to the opposite angle. So after hooking it, this is what it should actually look like. What this does is ensure that the wig is fastened onto your head without it falling off. So this is what it will look like when I put it on my head.
Can't stop. Yeah. You never lose an argument, so I've been trying hard to pretend that I'm okay. It's just a phase, and everything is going just great. I think about you a lot. It's almost like I can't stop. Yeah. I always knew that this would happen. Yeah. You would find a new distraction. I need you more, need you here, more than I would like to admit.
So this is what it will actually look like. I am actually loving this bob. Like, I can't believe I did this. Like, you know. But yes, so what I'm going to do now is get the top of my head to be flat, and to do that I'm basically just going to go in with my She's the Bomb wax stick and my hot comb.
Never lose an argument, so I've been trying hard to pretend that I'm okay. It's just a phase, and everything is going just great. I think about you a lot. It's almost like I can't stop, can't stop. Yeah, yeah. It's almost like I can't stop.
So this is what the bob is looking like after I finish cutting it. I did cut the hair off camera, and I did flat iron it off camera as well. So if you guys do want to see a video of me of how I cut my bobs, like look at that, go ahead and comment down below in the comment section if you do want to see how I cut my bob. Like, it is really cute. So if you guys did enjoy this video, don't forget to like, share, comment, and of course subscribe. Until then, it's your girl Ollie. Go and behave yourself.